Man, I just finished listening to some John Cougar Mellencamp. Had me going. So anyway, today I'm talking a little bit more about the XTool F2 Ultra UV and engraving. So I got myself two little samples here. I'm going to let you guys see. We're going to chill out for just a half second before I go work out. So what we got is, I don't know if you know this, XTool just released a new version of XTool Studio, which does a better job, I'm going to leave it at that, at doing engraving. As a matter of fact, at first I was a little bit surprised. I don't run out of my Cockpit minutes or credits, and I don't know if I'm going to re-up it. And I actually have some credits at another company that's trying to enter the space. But another company, for this video, I'm going to kind of leave it out who they are. I'm going to talk to them a little bit. They reached out to me and said like, hey, try our software a little bit. I'm like, okay. So I got these two little dogs here. This is one of the little test things I do. This is like a neighbor of somebody, and got this dog. They asked me to do some stuff with my UV make, or as my wife did. I don't know if they did or not. So anyway, I'm going to try to show this to you. I wish I had brought out my little thing. I don't know if this is going to show up on the camera. I'm going to give it a try. So this is the dog done with, hold on, let me make sure I get the right ones here. I think I do. I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, I do. Now, when you look at it, compared to the original picture, this is kind of good. I mean, it's a huge improvement over what XTool did before. And I'm like, yeah, okay, I'm good. I'm feeling this. Let me put this in front of the camera so you guys can see. Now look at that. That looks pretty good. Oh yeah, I messed with that. But I already had the other one. And, I was like, well, let me try it, because I tried it on another dog. A person who sends me, I just call them dogs when they pass and their owners are all sad, and I'd make something, because that's what I do. I never charge for anything. Wife mad at me because I spend all this money on stuff, but it's my money to spend. So anyway, it didn't come out too good. So I'm like, man, y'all ain't doing it. But it was really the picture. You got to have some kind of quality input. So anywho, after I do this, I'm like, well, based on the last picture, nah. And then I get, what? Remember, I got 20 of these. Y'all remember back with, the company in China that screwed me and sent me non-K9 crystals. I don't know how you have non-K9 crystals. Whatever. So, anywho, I put this one through the new software. And then I look at it. It's like, but, sometimes like when you look at Cockpit, you're going like, Then when it prints out or lasers out, it looks good. This is the final result from the new software. So I'm going to walk over here to let y'all see this. Oh, focus. There we go. Look at it. Now I'm going to put them together. Other than that, I didn't size them up, the same. You see a definite difference. Look at that. That looks good. I'm going to try to throw in the photo that this came from, but you guys are going to see. It did a good job. So at first I was like, oh, XTool, y'all done finally done it. You done finally done it. You got it looking all good and fine. So if I were to compare this against a Cockpit, I'd probably go like, But if you had to do it, I said XTool may do it so far. I don't know because this is like brand new software. I mean, brand new. And the only reason I could even use it right now, they've only finished, just finished the Mac version, and I just got a Mac. I had an old Mac. It's sitting over there. I got it from my wife a few years ago when she was taking a programming class, and they actually had where you had to have a Mac. So she asked me to buy her a Mac, and I did. Then I returned it to get a better Mac. So that was a MacBook Pro 2017. But this software only ran on silicon chips. So I don't know why, but it was for AI reasons. I bought this MacBook. This is an Air M5. Then I just said, you know what? If I got to spend the money, I'm going to Max. Then I contacted them. It's like, I know you don't have the PC version yet. Can I get the Mac version right now? And they did. So PC version, who knows, may be out by the time you see this. But anyway, this is going good. I wish I could, you know what, if I look at my bank account, I may refresh my credits over at Cockpit, and then find that other software and do a 3-way comparison, maybe a 4-way. But I'm just going through my crystals for you guys. Why am I doing this? Then again, I just ordered like 200 crystals. I don't sell these things. Why did I order 200 crystals? That was pretty dumb of me, to be honest. Actually, I ordered more than that. I just ordered, from one company, 210. Then another company, 60. I ordered over 300 crystals. And I don't even sell these things. I just give them away. I'm crazy. I'm realizing that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I probably will do another video. I'll just run through these 40 by 40s because they're small. Ticked off the company still, but even I ordered some more from them. And I told them they better not mess up this time. They know what happened last time. So I do like this. I do like this. I may put the name of the company down in the description. We'll see. I don't know if they're ready for prime time yet, but this was pretty good. I'm going to have to give them kudos. This looks, I would say this is on par with what I got from Cockpit. I'll be very honest, even though I can't see it right now. I guess I could take a picture I did through Cockpit and redo it here and see what it looks like. Anyway, if we're lucky, I'm going to ask their permission first. And then if so, I will put their information down below so you can get this too. And I have no idea what their pricing is. Okay? Hope you enjoy it. So just finished up. Oh my goodness, what is going on here? This thing keeps turning off. Maybe it's just the screen. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm trying to transfer from this camera. I just did something from my main YouTube channel. Then I decided to do this right before I work out. Probably gonna hit the elliptical back there. And then hope you guys enjoy it. And I will see you on the flip side.